Hi, this is Lisiane from the FrenchCompass.com. Welcome to your new interactive French practice, session number 6. In this session, we're going to review place prepositions. Exercise number 1. Remember that the sentence is first given in English and you're asked to translate it into French. Sentence number 1. The bank is behind the post office. Answer. La banque est derrière la gare. La banque est derrière la gare. Instead of saying est, you could also say se trouve, is located. La banque est derrière la gare, or la banque se trouve derrière la gare. This is also valid for the sentences that follow. Sentence number 2. The museum is opposite the train station. Answer. Le musée est en face de la gare. Le musée est en face de la gare. Again, you could also say le musée se trouve en face de la gare. Sentence number 3. The coffee shop is next to the supermarket. Answer. Le café est à côté du supermarché. Le café est à côté du supermarché. Sentence number 4. The church is between the park and the restaurant. Answer. L'église est entre le parc et le restaurant. L'église est entre le parc et le restaurant. Exercise number 2. Sentence number 1. Your shoes, informal, are under the bed. Your shoes, informal, are under the bed. Answer. Tes chaussures sont sous le lit. Tes chaussures sont sous le lit. Sentence number 2. Your mobile, formal, is in your pocket. Your mobile is in your pocket. Answer. Votre portable est dans votre poche. Votre portable est dans votre poche. Portable is the same like téléphone portable. Sentence number 3. His car is in front of the garage. Answer. Sa voiture est devant le garage. Sa voiture est devant le garage. And sentence number 4. Our computer is on the desk. Answer. Notre ordinateur est sur le bureau. Notre ordinateur est sur le bureau. Exercise number 3. Sentence number 1. The broom is under the stairs. Answer. Le balai est sous les escaliers. Le balai est sous les escaliers. Sentence number 2. The binders are on the shelf. Answer. Les classeurs sont sur l'étagère. Les classeurs sont sur l'étagère. Sentence number 3. Your meal, informal, is in the fridge. Answer, ton repas est dans le frigo. Ton repas est dans le frigo. And sentence number 4, the book is right in front of you. Formal. The book is right in front of you. Answer, le livre est juste devant vous. Le livre est juste devant vous. Okay, well done. That was all for today. Remember that you can download the PDF of this exercise at thefrenchcompass.com/interactivefrench. Thank you so much for taking part in the session, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!